Welcome to the SpinetiX Education Example. This example shows you a typical screen that will be used in the education framework. The screen is a welcome screen containing a clock, the date, and a logo and a welcome text. It's followed by a playlist of images. Composed of 4 images. You can control the playlist transition effect between the images. Next slide is a typical example of a menu. The menu is controlled by a text file, menu.txt, and then is scrolled vertically up to the screen. You can directly edit any text on the screen, like changing the color, and you can see directly the applications on your preview on the left. The same for contact informations, where simply a text box can be edited directly in HMD, where you can enter all the information you want to put on the screen. The next slide is visits that will come the week. That is controlled by a calendar file compatible with Outlook, for instance. Other type of format can be used. You can control also the number of items to be displayed on a single page. The next is a list of events. This time the event list is controlled by a comma-separated table. Like previously, all the formats are possible. You can control the duration of an item. It can be images or video. The next example is an example composed of a baseline and then a little playlist of the items. The first one is a list of conference for different rooms, this time controlled by an XML file with 3 items per page. The next type of data can be displayed like a weather forecast. The weather is coming directly from the Yahoo website in this case. You can control the location of the city and the icons that are used to represent the weather. You can also edit the text to describe the different weather conditions. This lets you do, for instance, a weather forecast in your own language. The next example will represent stocks informations. Different stocks is printed for each page. In this case, the information is also coming from the Yahoo website. The stocks are controlled by the stocks name in the address. All this information can be found on the Yahoo website. Next example will present news, for instance, from RSS feed from the web. This is coming directly from the school website, but other address could be used, like for instance news from CNN or Yahoo. The layout is controlled using the layout button. You can control the layout of the title and description, for instance. You can also describe when the fields need to be updated after each item, or only at the end of all the items being displayed. Feed type of different format and RSS are also supported. Finally, the last example is an example of a streaming video. In this example, we connect directly to the France 24 streaming source. An ASX file describes the address of the server, and the streamer is coming directly from the internet. Then, all text can be directly edited on the HMD. For instance, you can change the color and see by pressing the OK button directly the effect on the screen. This is the end of this example. Thank you for your attention.